गुस्सा है, like are you a
पठान का गुस्सा जो होता है ना वो फिर मीटर वाला गुस्सा होता है कि एकदम से मीटर घूमता है तो फिर गुस्सा आ जाता है. अदरवाइज यू कैन बी फाइन एंड समथिंग विल ट्रिगर इट ऑफ एंड देन इट्स लाइक सो आई थिंक इट वाज दैट more so, but otherwise nahi.
Daddy's temper is when
Yeah,
he
I've never
loses
seen
it, it's
Daddy,
very sad.
Once I remember Zarak and myself, we were in Iran. Zarak's my brother. और हम लोग we decided to drop a friend of ours who lived on the other side of town on cycles. So we left at about 3 in the afternoon and came back about 8 at night. And it was dark. These people didn't know where we were. That day, जब हम वापस आए, because they were contacting the police and all, it was, you know,
And Tehran was
you know, Daddy becomes
city.
silent, you know, and
Oh,
then
and
it's
that's
like,
so much worse.
Oh, that's right. Huh.
he says, go to your mother, she wants to say something. He was, you know, and that is, Mom would bring out the hanger or the, you know, Mom was, you know, you knew that it was, but with Daddy,
clothes hanger was very good.
उन दिनों में बच्चों को मारते थे, इससे कोई कुछ नहीं होता, हम बिल्कुल सही हैं.
Was Marina naughty tha? Bacha? Was a bacha?
Do you know George? No, not naughty. Not really naughty. Full of life, but no, not naughty. I never sort of knew her to do anything that, you know, upset me or anything like that.
Would she share things with you, especially वो teenage years में, या बहुत secretive होती थी?
No, I think we liked a lot of things similar. We have a lot of, you know, we both, we love movies and we used to talk about, and we like music, and in that way we do share a lot of, you know, we like to read books. I borrow a lot of books from her. I've stopped buying books. I borrow her books. And
although her caliber of books is much better than mine. I love my romantic comedies.
I know, but I now like them too.
Yeah.
I can't get into all the old heavy stuff. I used to love, of course, the old classics.
And Marina's love of pets, did that come from you?
Yes. Our family was mad about animals. My father, my mother. My father bred dogs.
Acha.
Yes, he bred bull terriers, which I still maintain are the most adorable, beautiful dogs. People don't like them. And when our favorite dog died, my mother was so overwhelmed. My father went out and came home with 2 dachshunds. Bull terriers to dachshunds. But they were very welcome.
And was Marina pestering you as a child for, you know,
For a pet?
pets or dogs?
Actually, the first pet that came was in Sargoda, I guess.
No. Before Peppy, we had the little white one. No, you were very small. You were very small.
There was a black dog I remember once we had during.
Oh, that
65.
was a friend left that dog with
This
us.
is the war.
Yes.
And I remember a trench. I remember going into a trench and a black dog. That's all I remember of the 65.
Yeah, he was a very cute little dog. He belonged to a close friend whose husband had gone off to, and she couldn't look after the dogs, so she gave it to me to look after. He was very sweet.
So tell us, are you proud of your daughter?
Very.
जो अभी 1-1.5 साल इन्होंने एक morning show खत्म किया है. Every day. How many did you watch पहले?
As many as I could, Kiran, because you know I look after my husband. I cook, and he has very
Different timings.
his timings, his routine. So, you know, breakfast time and Marina's show, and I'd be I'd put something on and I'd run to the thing and I'd see, oh no, Ruxana is dancing at the moment, I'll go back. And sorry, exercise.
Ruxana sun rahi hai.
Sorry, Ruxana. I did enjoy your exercises very much. And then, of course, I had to see Samina. I'm very fond of Samina.
She was.
Because I like cooking. So
She's cooked all.
And
She fed us all our lives.
and she's
we've
turned
never
out
had
to
a
be a good cook. I never thought
she
she
has.
could. She really has.
I try. I experiment with my guests.
No, you went into all these cooking shows and things. That was really something.
Great.
But, you know, I mean, you've seen Marina blossom throughout her career. Everything she does with her full heart.
You know, I'm sorry, George. I just never knew that she had the you know, I mean, of course, no, I'd seen her in a couple of college plays, yes, and I knew she was, but I never thought she would go into this, you know, thing so well in TV.
I had a good director.
Shazad Khalil, what a great man, what a great man.
Great guy. The best.
Very good.
Welcome back.
हम बात कर रहे हैं मरीना खान से. थोड़ा सा I think it's time to go back little early career. Now you used to go with Kehkashan to the television studio जब जंगल की performance हो रही थी and वहाँ शहजाद खलील spotted you.
एक्चुअली मैं पहले बता दूं, ये फूल मुझे जॉर्ज देना भूल गए थे, तो अभी मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं इनको. नहीं, शहजाद खलील की असिस्टेंट उस टाइम पे थी शाहीन अंसारी, and she was working with Saira, and we were also doing a fashion show for to raise money for the Ethiopian famine that was happening. And because we wanted singers and people to sing and dance for the show, so Saira was doing this music program, और उसके through शाहीन से हमारी connection हुई थी. And then Shaheen was assigned to Shehzad Khalil, and they were looking for a new face, and she'd met me a couple of times with Kehkashan. That's how it.
And were you thinking about acting at that time?
No, I didn't even know why I was called.
So क्या हुआ? आपने accept कैसे किया? कौन आपके
Because
पास आया?
शहजाद साहब में ये एक ability थी कि वो एक पत्थर को भी convince कर सकते थे कि आप act कर सकते हो. He just, PTV was a very different. What's it called, atmosphere till I walked into Shehzad Khalil's office, because here was this, he wasn't a very tall man, but he was a neat little man, and there was this big desk, and I remember green carpet, and it was a big room, and he was sitting behind it, and it's just his manners, his the way he talked to you, the way he just was a person who could bring out that confidence in you. And I said, I can't even speak Urdu properly, and my script कैसे पढ़ूंगी?
तो उर्दू का क्या हुआ था?
कहते कोई बात नहीं. He says, I will give you a list of actors जिनकी उर्दू सही नहीं है, and then he started naming people, and I said, अच्छा. So I think I was in awe of him, and then I just went along, and I said, okay.
With so little formal training as an actress, how did he bring that talent out of you?
I really don't know. Tanhaiyan I know, because I had done Shehzad Khalil. I'm saying I had done Nishan-e-Haider with him, and he obviously, we got to spend about a week and a half together, and he noticed people. He had this knack of bringing the person out onto, maybe the first day of recording, and he would suss you out. He talked to you a lot, and then he would try and fit you in the best way he could. So if he realized that I really couldn't deliver dialogues initially, and I told him I'd be very, I hardly had any dialogues, if you remember, but he'd tell me, okay, now look at this guy, now give a, be little, and I was really shy, because I'm looking at another man, I didn't want to look at this guy and, be all romantic and stuff like that. Now, so he directed you, he really directed you.